Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to use suggesting mode in Google Docs step by step. Suggesting mode is perfect when you want to recommend edits without changing the original document. First, open the Google Docs file where you want to make suggestions. Make sure you have permission to suggest or edit. At the top right corner, find the editing mode drop-down. By default, it's set to editing. Click the drop-down and select suggesting. Now, every change you make appears as a suggestion instead of a direct edit. Start typing or deleting text, and you'll see suggestion boxes appear. Each suggestion shows who made it and when. You can add comments to explain your suggestions by highlighting text and choosing comment. When multiple people collaborate, each person's suggestions appear in different colors, making reviews easy. To accept a suggestion, click the check mark. To reject it, click the X icon. Once everything is approved, switch back to editing mode to finish the document. And yeah, that's how to use suggesting mode in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.